person I am. I don't, once I start going into these realms, I got to learn more. And so I would do this research, and I found out that the same thing happens to the cows on these so-called humane dairies as they do in the big dairies. They still kill the babies. It was no different, and it just became a nightmare for me because I couldn't figure out how to get away from it. And so, so I started, well, let me back up. Okay, so in October 31st, 2014, it was on Halloween. That's the day I went vegan. But prior to that, the last time the trailer went to the sale barn was in, it was 2014, I think it was February. So imagine all of these things happening to me, just constantly on my husband's butt. And then in February of 2014, the trailer goes out the last time. My husband was always trying to hide it from me. He was always trying to keep me from knowing when the trailer was leaving because I would always cry, I would always throw a fit. And he would throw down the checks in front of me and say, "You don't mind spending the money." And it's true. I mean, I put the money in the bank, so then I started feeling like I was contributing, like I was, it was blood money, and I was part of it, and I felt like a terrible person, and, I still ate my Chick-fil-A sandwiches. I wasn't making the connection yet, so it took 4 years, and the last time the trailer left, between February and October, that's when I was the most miserable. And I started doing all that research with the dairy farms. I started seeing what we were doing, and it was in October that I stumbled on Melanie Joy. If you haven't heard of Melanie Joy, she has an amazing book called Why We Eat Pigs, Love Dogs, Wear Cows, something like this. But it's on my screen in a minute. I'll show it to you because it's one of the ones I always recommend because I was on the computer and I stumbled on her dissertation on carnism. And she was talking about, and I always exaggerate because I can just imagine this big old table of people, they're eating their beef stew, and everybody's eating their beef stew and they're just chewing on it and they're loving it and they're just talking about it. And then somebody says, "What's the recipe?" And the lady in the house says, "Well, thank you for asking. You start out with a pound of very young golden retriever." Everybody wants to spit the food back out. They're loving it 1 second, and the next second, oh, the pulse, it's golden retriever, and it's a baby at that, And then she says, "Oh, just kidding. It's a cow." But what happened? The perception was still in their mind. They could not resume eating because the image of them eating a baby puppy was so strong. That startled me. When I saw that, I literally gasped. It was like, well, that night, it was Halloween. And that night, we went to my husband's mother's house because they always had this big Halloween party. And for the kids, and they get their costumes, and the little parade, and all the families there, the nephews, the nieces, the kids, and everybody's eating, and everybody's talking, and it's loud. I walk in, my mother-in-law comes out with this big pot of, come on, what do you think she had? Beef stew. My mother-in-law comes out, I've just seen this, and she says, "Would you like a bowl of stew, Renee?" And all of a sudden, the world went black for me. I vibrated. I looked at the stew, I looked at her, and I wasn't even talking to her. I said, "I can't eat that." I just said, "I can't eat that." And my mother-in-law said, "Renee, what?" I was like, "I can't eat it." It was almost like I was a zombie. And I said, "It's got floating, dead, hacked up animal parts in it." And everybody in the room got quiet. Everybody looked at me like I had cussed my mother-in-law out. And they looked at me like, "Oh my God, how dare you call that out on the carpet like that?" And that's what I did, that's what it was. It was floating, dead, hacked up animal bodies, And my mother-in-law was like, "Well, Renee, you can pick it out." I said, no ma'am, there's no more picking it out for me. The moment I crossed through the Great Divide, that door slammed shut in my psyche, and I've never looked back. That's when I went vegan. I'll never forget it.